Kalita Language Studio YouTube channel, and I'm going to tell you about the things that you can find in the studio and a little bit about the rules of the studio. So when you enter, on your right you see the conditions of the studio, how all these things work, who pays whom for what and who must do what. On your left you see a nice mirror that will help you to get ready for the class and for going home or to work or wherever you go. Then we have a nice shelf. It is here to hold the slippers. So in the studio you can walk barefoot in socks, or if you want the slippers you can take the slippers, or some students bring their own indoor shoes, whatever. I ask everybody to leave their bags, backpacks, plastic bags, everything they bring on this shelf. And here we also have a nice thing to clean, kind of wash your hands. And you can see my bag is an example. This is for jackets and coats and everything. And the lower part is for shoes, but many students leave it right here on the carpet. You are not allowed to go any further in your shoes than this carpet. So this is the final point where you can wear your shoes. After that you need to go barefoot in socks or wearing slippers. So then the student goes to take a seat. We have 4 nice tables. They accommodate rather conveniently 8 people. If we need more tables, we take more tables, but usually 4 tables is enough. And we have air conditioning, as you can see, so it's pretty comfortable. Especially in the summer, air conditioning is really needed here. And as you can see, we see one long board here. It is 3 meters long, and 2 shorter ones. Each of them is 1.5 meters long. It allows us to organize students' work right on the boards, and the teacher can see everything that is happening there, give some advice, comments, feedback, and other students have better access to your work when you're writing on a board. And again, it will conveniently accommodate 8 people. Talking about equipment, we also have a nice TV set that is ready to show any online video or offline video that the teacher prepares for you. And a nice speaker, oh I love it. So that's a Bluetooth speaker, and the design is really nice. So what else? So in the break, before or after the class, you can go take some drink. So we have coffee. We're dreaming about a coffee machine. We have hot chocolate, different types of tea, napkins if anybody needs them. I always try to organize something sweet, something salty, and something in the middle. If you happen not to have a pen, so we have a bunch of them, no problem. We have hot water and cold water, and I always encourage my students that if they need to drink or eat something, just during the lesson they can get up, go and do that. And here we have a nice small let's say library, so any student can come, have a look, choose, even John Rowling is here, choose whatever they like, and have it for some period of time. Nobody actually controls that. The only thing is that all books have this sticker, Kalita Language Studio. That's it. One more thing that I love about the studio is this I miscounted, 4 huge windows, and as you can see, there's lots and lots of sky in these windows. So that's not skyscrapers, that's not whatever high building, it's just sky. And during summertime we have absolutely fantastic sunsets right over here. I think I will make a video of one of them sometime.